Okay, so to decide whether this is a function or not, let's try plugging in some x values and see if we could ever get more than one y value for the same x. Okay, so if we plug in, and let's just do a little bit of a t-chart here for x and y. If we plug in you know what, let's do it this way. Let's put 0 in the middle here so we can do some positive and some negative. So if we plug in 0 for x, what happens? Well, let's see. Y equals 5 times 0 plus 3, we get y equals 3. Okay. Let's try 1. So y equals 5 times 1 plus 3. So y equals 5 plus 3, which is 8. So we've got 1 and 8. Okay, let's try a negative number. Let's try negative 1. So y equals 5 times negative 1 plus 3. Well, in this case, we're going to get y equals negative 5 plus 3, which is negative 2. Okay, let's try a couple more. Let's try 2 and negative 2. So we'll plug in 2. Y equals 5 times 2 plus 3. Well, that means y equals 10 plus 3, which is 13. Okay, so we'll try our negative 2. Y equals 5 times negative 2 plus 3. Well, this gives us y equals negative 10 plus 3, which is y equals negative 7. So we've got a negative 7 here. So let's take a look what we have. Certainly, none of these came up with, none of the x's gave us more than one y. And in fact, if we look at this equation, we'll immediately notice it's in slope-intercept form. What does that mean? It means it's a straight line. And a straight line, unless it's a vertical line, is always going to be a function, unless it's a vertical line. And if it's a vertical line, then there won't be any y in it. It'll be x equals a number with no y. But if we have both x and y, and it's a linear equation, then yes, it is a function. So does it define y as a function of s? And the answer is yes.